Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm fantastic, fantabulous. What about you? Just tell me. I'm very eager to know about you. First, you tell how are you? How is your family? And how your work is going on?
Yeah, everything is going on in a smooth way. Let me introduce myself first. Then Okay, so as you know that my name is Sushma and I'm from Delhi and I'm blessed with two children. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation. And talking about my hobbies, so I have different kind of hobbies, but time to time I can change my hobby. Nowadays, I am working on my communication skills. So I most of the time, try to watch the conversational and videos and podcasts so that I can acquire some kind of knowledge. And in these days, because I totally indulge in this language, so I most of the time do that. But whenever I get time, so I try to indulge myself totally in this language, like listening, speaking, these kind of things I do activities. So that's all about myself in a nutshell. Thank you for asking. And now it's your turn. You can introduce yourself.
Yeah, of course. Why not? I am always ready to introduce myself in front of you and in front of anybody. So on the
Mm.
screen, you can see that I am Rajiv Kumar and I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer and I'm also a tuition teacher. So this is my short introduction.
Oh my God, you are a tuition teacher. It's very good. It is a good, way to learn the things. If you teach someone, so it is a good way to remember all the things, to recall all the things, right? Because it is very necessary to impart our knowledge to the other person, right? So in that way, we can learn and we can improve. So, like,
No,
which class do you teach? Like, which class
Yeah, I
students
teach
do you
ninth
teach?
class and 10th class. I teach ninth class student and 10th class student. Mathematics and science I teach it. And I
Okay.
don't teach English.
Okay,
Especially for
okay.
village student comes to my house and I used to just increase my knowledge and some money comes from teaching.
Mm,
So, but
okay.
main occupation is to do farming. Not my main occupation to do teaching.
Teaching, okay. So, like, okay, you are able to teach that those person like that is in Hindi medium school, children, students, or just English medium?
Hindi medium student I am teaching. English medium student is
Okay.
not coming to me. Hindi medium student teaching. I teach. Okay.
Mm. Oh, yeah. So, as you mentioned that you are a farmer, so which kind of crops do you grow over there?
Yeah. Vegetables I am also growing and some grains just like wheat, paddy, and dal also I am growing. But seasonally I am growing. According to the season, I am just going.
Yeah.
Because this time summer
Okay.
season is going on, no, so I will harvest this time spring season is going to be end, and after 10 days
Uh,
from now the summer season will start coming,
start.
and this is the
Okay.
month of harvesting of wheat, and you can see that
Mm.
you can see behind me a large field of the wheat,
Yeah.
and uh,
Exactly. Yeah.
wheat
Right.
is standing still on my lands, and this is completely become dry, and nowadays I started my
Ah.
harvesting, and from tomorrow I will harvest.
Okay. So you alone you do that your work like harvesting work or just you hire some kind of like a
Mhm.
person?
Yes. It is not possible for a single person
Ah.
to harvest.
Harvest. Yeah. It is a
Yes. I
big
used
big
to
field,
keep
I
some
think.
work. I used to keep some works of my village, especially for lady workers and especially for gents
Ah.
workers. I
Hmm.
hire sometimes ladies worker for cutting the wheat.
Ah.
Okay, and
Yes. Yes.
for different purpose, I used to hire the male worker of
Hmm.
my village.
Because it is necessary. Otherwise, it will take lots of time to if you
Yeah.
go with the loan over
Definitely,
there.
because
Yeah.
I don't have a harvester machine. Harvester machine is a
Hmm.
machine which just cut and harvest all the wheat in a
All the
single
time.
day
So why
within
didn't?
a 1 hour.
Okay, so why didn't you hire that? Can't you afford that?
No, no, I can't afford. I want that. If I will hire that machine, no. So they will create unemployment problem.
Okay, that is the reason behind that.
Yes,
Like
yes.
that's why
So
you
I
are
don't hire.
okay.
So I don't buy
Hmm.
the harvester machine, and I don't bring the
Okay.
harvester machine because of the
Hmm.
unemployment problem. Because if I will keep some workers of my village,
Ah,
so that
it is good.
yes, they will get some jobs, and they will
Hmm.
cut
That is a
and they
good
will get some
thinking.
money from me.
Yeah. It's good thinking. You are very
Yes,
positive
yes,
person and you are thinking about the other people. Like it is a very good way, like good. Like
yes, yes.
you are
We all,
creating the
yes, yes. We all should think about other person because we all
exactly.
human beings. We all are human beings, and our thinking are different from other thinking. But what is the difference between animals and us? Because their
Yeah, exactly.
and their mind is different from my mind, and my mind, human beings' mind is superior than the animals, and
Yeah,
thinking is
exactly,
also different from
exactly.
the animals. So
Hmm.
thinking, thoughts, idea, and everything is just better than the animals. So we should respect
Hmm.
the other person. We should help the other
Exactly.
person in the case of need. Okay, this is the
Great, great.
humanity. This is the main
Yeah,
purpose
this
of
is
living the life.
yeah. This is called humanity, right? We should
Yes.
have all this
Yeah.
kind of humanity. And we are, if we are positive with the other person or we think about the other person, so God will think for us, right?
Yes, yes. God will
This
think
is
for us.
great.
So up to how much? If you will not help the other person, so up to how much you will live in the society? Then because after
Hmm.
70 years, you will become very old. On that time,
Yeah, exactly.
you
On
will have idea that I should help
ah,
the poor. So on that time, you will be at the condition of death. So on that time, you will
yeah,
never help the people because your face and your skin will be third, you will dry,
yes,
and your will not
definitely. Yeah.
worthy. So on that time, if you will think, so on that time again you can't help the poor, you can't help the people. So on that time you will
Yeah.
stand very badly.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. True, true. Great, great thinking. Wow. I'm totally impressed by your thinking. So it's great. Like, so how much time will it take to harvest all the field, all the crops?
Yes, yes, yes. Your question is very good because if suppose that if I will buy the harvester machine, or if I will hire on the
Hmm.
on my land, so harvester machine will enter inside my land, and they will harvest all the dry
Hmm.
wheat
All the things,
in
all
2 hours. Only 2 hours they will complete all the things. But if I will
the.
hire some lady workers, so they will cut. They will come on my land at 9 a.m., and they will go after before 6 p.m. at the 6 p.m.
Hmm.
And lunch time also I am giving, and means that this is summer season.
Definitely.
So this time I am standing under the tree because
Under
I
the
am
tree. Yeah.
getting hot from the sun. So I am standing here. So this time
Hmm.
worker is not working in my field. They are not cutting wheat
Okay. Hmm.
because day is very hot. So
Okay.
so time
Okay.
is just shifted in the morning time. Means that 5
Okay.
a.m. they are she is coming mm, to my land for
Okay.
cutting
5
purpose,
a.m.
and
Hmm.
10
Till
a.m.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock they returning to the home. Okay, because
Okay.
after
Okay.
10 a.m. just going to heat increase. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So how many days? Like 1 day is not enough, I think. Maybe 5 to 10 days it will take, or 1 day they can complete the work in 1 day.
Yeah, it is not possible for one day.
Hmm.
According to the condition of the workers, if I will increase worker number of worker, so it will
Ah,
take two,
they
two
will.
days. Okay, if I will
Okay.
decrease the number of workers, so it will take more times. It depends on the number of worker. Okay,
Okay, yeah, it's good, good. So, okay, so if you have any query to me and if you want to ask anything to me, so you can ask because I have already asked so many questions to you.
Yes, yes. Now my turn is coming to ask from you. So my question is that, as you mentioned while delivering your introduction, that you are Susma and Susma ma'am, and you are from Delhi, and you are blessed with 2 kids, and your hobby is gardening,
Mhm.
cooking, and everything. So please tell me
Mhm.
that. Um, have you ever visited to Taj Mahal? Because I know that Taj Mahal is not situated on the Delhi. Taj Mahal is situated on the
Yeah,
bank of river of the
in
Yamuna, and Taj
in
Mahal is
Agra.
inside the sea.
Okay, the Taj Mahal in not in Delhi. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Agra. It is very far from my home. Yeah, it is also situated like a bank of the river Yamuna. I know that, but it is in Agra, not in Delhi. Because yeah,
Yes, yes.
I have
I
been
know,
there. Yeah.
but some people think that that Taj Mahal is situated on the Delhi, but Taj Mahal is not situated in
No,
the Delhi. Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of Yamuna, and Taj Mahal is
Yamuna is
inside.
in Delhi. Yeah, Yamuna is in Delhi, but not Taj Mahal.
Yes, yes.
Taj Mahal
So
is a bank of the river. Taj Mahal is situated in like a bank of the river, but it is in Agra. In Delhi, there are lots of monuments are in Delhi, but not Taj Mahal.
yes,
Okay,
yes. So it is a
yeah,
great place. So have you ever visited to the Agra Taj Mahal? Because our great
yes.
king Shah made made Taj Mahal in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz.
Yeah, yes, yes. He got that Taj Mahal built by the like workers. So it is the sign of love. It is the sign of love because of that love he got created. He got built that Taj Mahal.
Yes,
Right,
yes, yes.
the Shah Jahan.
It
Yeah.
is a great symbol for the family person also. So usually
Hmm.
on that places family person also visited every day. But especially if you will go to the Agra for visiting the Taj Mahal, so you will watch
Hmm.
that only male and
Yeah.
female person as housewife and husband and wife also visited there mostly. If 10%
No.
is roaming from one corner to another corner inside the campus of the Taj Mahal, so only just 99% will be the male and female person, husband, housewife, and husband and wife.
No, 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 not like that. Everyone is like all the family members. They go there. I have also seen because 2 times I went there. I have been there 2 times. So no, that is not right. That only the house and only the husband and wife and only the female or male person went there. Go there. No, all the family member can go there. No, what is the like problem in that? Where did you listen that? Like only the husband and wife go there?
No, no, I am not listening from anywhere. I am just guessing because it is just symbol of
No.
wife and husband. So I am thinking that
So,
maybe
yeah,
that
no,
kind of
no, no.
there.
That is not no, that is not like that.
You know,
Because it is the monument, and everyone can go there and they can enjoy all the creation of the builders or whatever they built. Because there are lots of how can we say in English nakkashi. I don't know how to speak in English. There are lots of nakkashi like you can observe over there, and it is totally made of white stone, white marble.
yes,
Right.
yes, yes,
So, and there
yes.
are another monument is also there, Red Fort, because Red Fort also in the Agra, and Red Fort is another Red Fort is in Delhi.
Yes,
Red
yes.
Fort is in Delhi. Yeah.
Yes, you know
Hmm.
that Taj Mahal is very famous because
Yeah.
only
Very
single
famous.
building, only single building is available in India, and their second building, same building is not available in the world. But the people from the other country just tried to make like the Taj Mahal, but they failed many
This is the
times. But they
this is
never.
the one of the seven wonders. This is the
Yes,
one of
yes.
the
Seven
seven wonders.
wonders.
Yeah.
China
Yeah.
Gate, no, no, no. Wall of the China is the
All of the
seven
China.
wonder, and India
Mhm.
Gate, seven wonder, Taj
Yeah.
Mahal, seven wonder, and
Yeah.
some are also just like Howrah Bridge, seven wonder, and
Yeah.
get Italy, Germany. There are some
Hmm.
some also.
Yeah, great. Yeah. So have you ever been here in Delhi or not?
No, I have never gone to the Delhi, but I think that whenever I will get time free, so definitely 100% I am sure that I will go to the Agra
Uh,
to watch the
hmm.
beauty and the
What?
beautiness of the Taj Mahal, because this Taj Mahal
Yeah,
is
definitely. Yeah.
being made by the Shah Jahan in the memory of beloved wife Mumtaz, and
Hmm.
but just they gave money. Okay, Shah Jahan gave money to the worker, but worker made
Hmm.
original. Worker made
Yeah, right. Made original thing. Yeah, right.
yes.
Exactly. And
And
and you know,
Sangmarmar.
no other, no any other monument like Taj Mahal. So it
Yes,
is the
yes,
only one in
yes,
whole
yes.
world. Yeah, it
And
is good.
the material used inside
It's
the building of the Taj Mahal is Sangmarmar, means that
Yeah, that
CaCO3.
is white marble. White
Yes,
marble. That is white marble, and you know you feel very cool, a cool breeze over there inside that Taj Mahal. You don't feel any hot or any any hotness over there. You
yes,
every time in fact even in summer season, if you go inside the Taj Mahal, you feel very cold over there inside the Taj Mahal. I'm talking about the inside the Taj Mahal. So
yes.
yeah,
But
because
some people say that, sister, that the beauty of the Taj Mahal go 100 times multiple when in the moonlight.
Ah, yes. You know, in the moonlight, it can shine in a very good way. Like you can see in moonlight. There is all like what is the beauty of that Taj Mahal? In moonlight, you can consider as a light, white light in the moonlight.
Yes,
It
yes. But the main reason is
it shines like that.
yes. Moon don't have any light. Okay, moon don't have any light
Doesn't
because it's
doesn't.
just giving to light because of the sunlight. Because the light of the moon is the reflection light of the sun. I think that.
Yeah. Yes. You are right. You are right. Yeah, so moonlight, consider like full moonlight. Have you listened that full moonlight, the Taj Mahal of the Taj Mahal shines in a good manner, we can say.
Yes. Because reflection sun just directly send their lights to the earth and reflect to the reflect again to the moon, and after that
Moon.
the reflection is again come to the earth. Okay, so the reflection
Uh,
light is coming that the original light
hmm.
don't have moon. The reflection light is that
Okay.
on the
Mhm.
on the Purnima night when reflection is going on. So on that time, because they are chemical, CaCO3 is a chemical. Okay, calcium carbonate,
Okay.
just like a Sangmarmar.
Okay, okay. Great. You have a great knowledge about the science, I think.
Yes. I am little knowledge, but I don't have much knowledge about the science. But I'm just try to share my some knowledge with you.
Great. Yeah. So yeah, okay. RK, what were your name? What was
Yes,
your
my
name?
good name is Rajiv Kumar. My good name is
Rajiv
Rajiv Kumar.
Kumar. Okay, Rajiv. Yeah. Nice to
Okay,
talk to you, Rajiv. Thank you so much for
okay,
connecting me. Okay.
okay.
And you know, I am very mesmerized